Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Not bad, thank you. You know that you are having an oral test this time. First of all, I want you to tell me something about yourself. Do you mind?
No, not at all. My name is Indra. Indra Siva Devi. You can call me Indra. I am 10 years old. I live at Bekasi Sivan. My telephone number is 88021111. I study at Bukadana Islamic School and I'm class 5.
By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Bekasi, Indonesia.
Why do you study English?
It's an international language. I must be able to speak it well.
How often do you study English here?
Twice a week, on Tuesday and on Friday.
Do you think twice a week is enough?
Well, I don't think so. However, I also study English at school.
Do you have any problem studying English?
Yes, of course. Grammar is a little bit difficult for me.
Anything else?
Yes, it is still hard for me to speak English fluently.
Don't worry, you will soon learn. Goodbye for now.
Bye.